Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do a moonshot Monday on an idea that Simon Property Group, which is uh, like a mall landlord, they can become the next Berkshire Hathaway. How how will they achieve that? So here's a little bit of background. Simon Property Group is basically mall owners. They own the A class mall. So what's A class? So they're like doing like 600 or 700 sales for retail. So they are like high end malls. So if you like go to very fancy malls on your city, that's probably owned by Simon Property Group. And then when Simon Property Group they collect rent, so they're um, doing a high margin business. So when they collect like $1 million in rent, just need to pay mortgage, insurance, and tax and maintenance. The rest is net profit. Okay, so Simon Property Group cash cow is the rent income. And then Berkshire Hathaway's cash cow is when Warren Buffett started Berkshire Hathaway, he invested the Geico insurance premiums on different companies. So that's how Warren Buffett do it. So Warren Buffett's cash cow is the insurance company, but Simon Property Group cash cow is um, rent income. And Simon Property Group is very rich. They have like $9.6 billion on liquidity cash. They can invest or pay off debt. So that's a lot of money at their balance sheet. Almost $10 billion of cash they can access to invest in different company. So why do I propose the idea for Simon to become the next Berkshire Hathaway? So one thing they are already doing, Simon Property Group is doing right now, is something called Simon Ventures. So they already invest like $100 million on Soho, which is kind of like a startup that's doing pretty well. It's like a membership club, so I'm not really sure about it. So they all invest 100 million and they invest on other startups as well. So like Bird, that is scooter Bird company, they also invest in that, and a couple others I forgot the name about. And then another thing I like what they are doing right now is they buy out the bankrupt retailers like Forever 21 and 20, I think it was like 2016, 2017, Simon Property Group buy out Ariel Pastel clothing company, and they went bankrupt. They bought it for like I think around $65 million, and right now it's worth only double their money to 200 something $million. So they are when they bought the Ariel Pastel I think I don't know what's it called. It's kind of like a teenage clothing company. They bought it with I think authentic brands. They partner with them and buy it. So Simon Property Group have 50% stake on that company. And more recently they bought the Lucky brand and JC Penney and Forever 21. Okay, so those are, I think those are strong brands. Forever 21 can very well compete with H&M. This is just need like better like inventory of clothes. I need just like, in my opinion, Forever 21 is still very good company. So one thing they need to do is like more collab with influencers and design more, put more like fresh designs in their clothes, like do some collab with Pokemon, Disney, or something like that. So the more or Fortnite, so more teenagers will buy their clothes. Okay, so that's what they are currently doing on Simon. So, and Simon already owns a portfolio of brands right now. I'm not really sure if they're gonna hold it for a long time or if they're gonna like sell it or do a spin-off of the brand. I'm not really sure how they're gonna do it. And that's my main concern about investing a lot of money. If they're gonna like bet really big on this category of investing on multiple startups, like if they can like invest on some more crazier startups like SpaceX or SpaceX, Tesla, or any other companies, I will buy more stock in this company. Plus, right now they pay 10% dividend, well, no, 8% dividend. So that's crazy high dividend for a like a real estate company. So I'm gonna put around $1,000 or $2,000 in this company and see how it goes in the future. And so that's my idea right now. But if they can buy more, like bankrupt brands and turn it around, or invest on more startup, I'll probably get more shares in the Simon Property Group. And if not, I'm not sure how the CEO is David Simon, and he's pretty good. He's pretty smart. He's like not a like a salary CEO like other CEOs. I think by the way he talks in the earning call, I think he know what he's doing. And then that's probably about it. Yeah. So if Simon can like invest more and more companies are probably because they have their cash cow is collecting rent from their retailers, from their tenants, and they so invest the money just to keep doing what they're doing. I don't know if they're gonna stop or not because I'm not really sure how they're gonna proceed with the idea. But if they do, definitely like invest on more brands and like more tech startup like they're doing. They only invest in couple like e-commerce startup as well right now. So they got basically two investing going for them. One is real estate, which is the cash cow, and then next one is Simon Ventures that invest on early stage startups as well. Okay, if they can, so that's that. Basically, my proposal is for Simon Property Group to invest heavily on more early and high growth companies because they got so much cash. If they use their cash to buy like real estate, I don't think that's very efficient of their or pay dividend or buy back their shares. That I don't think that's not very efficient of the use of the cash. Just think of it, if they invest like $1 billion on Tesla on 2018, they'll have $10 billion right now. They are cash strong, very cash, very strong, just like the Berkshire Hathaway and Geico Insurance. They have so much cash. That stock, if they can invest on great quality company, definitely a $200 billion stock if they can invest their cash pile, not as they are, if they can like keep investing like as well as real estate and their venture like funds into more companies. So I think there's a get more aggressive investing like a venture fund. Okay, so that's my idea. So I'm not a financial advisor. I could be wrong, but one thing is for sure, Simon Property Group is a pretty good stock, not bad. Will I put around 10% of my portfolio on that stock? No, and because it's not a growth stock. But if it turns itself into a growth stock, I would, but not right now. I will make a video if they do, but not right now. So I will just put like 1 or 2% of my portfolio on this stock right now, and let's see how it goes. If they do very well on venture investing, I'm gonna load out on the stock. Okay, so please subscribe and like. So subscribe, so when I make an update on this company, you will know that I just bought more stock. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.